In this video, I'll show you how to add a horizontal stripe reveal transition in Adobe Premiere Pro using Stripe. This transition reveals the next clip using moving stripe bands, making the scene change feel clean, modern, and stylish. It works great for corporate videos, product showcases, documentaries, and motion graphic edits. Let's get started. First, place your two clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now go to the effects panel, search for stripe. Once you find it, drag and drop it between your clips. Now select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Stripes controls how many stripe bands appear in the transition. Angle controls the direction of the stripe reveal. Length controls how far the stripe movement extends. Edge feather controls how soft or sharp the stripe edges look. Timing offset controls the timing flow of the stripe animation. Use a shorter duration for a quick sharp reveal. Use a longer duration for a smoother rhythmic transition. For best results, this effect looks amazing on clean and structured compositions. And that's it. That's how you add a horizontal stripe reveal transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.